Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to do very easy messy wavy hair. As always, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for my latest videos, and without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So this is how my hair look. I washed them yesterday and I just blow dried them. And first of all, we need to brush our hair, and we do that because we don't want any clumps and it will be easier to make our waves. Next step, we will divide our hair into half, and I will just take this amount of hair and I will make a messy bun because I will work with this amount of hair for now. With an elastic, just secure your bun. For wavy hair, we don't want very structured curls, so I will take bigger sections of hair and I will curl them all together. If you want more structured curls, I will link down below the video that I have done, and I give you tips how to have long-lasting curls. For this tutorial, I will use a curling wand. You can also use a curling iron. You will have the same result, and let's get started. We apply a small amount of heat protectant. We also brush so the product is distributed all over our hair. Okay. And then I take all of this hair and I will curl them away from my face and just wrap them around the wound with no specific way. Just wrap them. Leave it for only 10 seconds. After that, take a small amount of hair from the top of your curl. It is still warm, so be careful not to burn your fingers. And this little section, I will curl it towards my face. So this one, I leave it for about 5 seconds instead of 10 because it is already warm. I don't curl the end of the curl because I want them to look very natural. And after that, I open it with my fingers. And it looks very messy in the beginning. We take all of this hair and we curl it away from our face. I will also curl this part here. And this is like a big curl with not a lot of structure, but we don't want structure. We want them to look very messy and wavy. I also take from this section a small amount of hair. And we just open the curls. So next I'm taking some hair from my top bun. I will take like this amount of hair and I make again a bun. Apply your heat protectant. We divide this section into two parts. All of our hair, we curl them away from our face. You can touch your hair to see if it is very warm. We also leave a very small space that we hold the hair, and this will actually make our waves more natural. So, okay, I will let it cool, and I will also do this section here. From this big curl, I will just take a small amount from the top and I will curl it towards my face. And we don't want very structural curls, so I open them. I will do my side part now, away from the face. And from these sections, I will let them like this because I prefer the top hair always to be away from my face, and I will just open those curls. And I continue with the rest of my hair. And then open your hair. And then we can apply some hairspray to make our wavy hair last longer. Just a very small amount. Okay, that's enough. So this is how you can achieve very easy wavy hair. If you found this video informative or entertaining, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!